What's up, everybody? Welcome on back to the 710 Performance channel. Today we're going to be powder coating some valve covers Illusion Purple, and we're going to be putting the 710 Performance logo on them. If you like the video, don't forget to smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and if you're a long-time lurker and you haven't subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button down below so you don't miss more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. Yeah. So we are now going to put the 710 logo on the side right there. Then we're going to powder coat it Illusion Purple. And then we're going to go ahead and take off the tape for the logo. And then we're going to powder coat the Clear Vision. And everything will be cleared and you'll have the 710 Performance logo in white.
Putting the 710 Performance logo sticker on the valve cover. Very nice.
Really slick.
Show them that real quick, the transfer. Bring it this way some. Yeah. Scratching it with a card to make sure and get all the bubbles out. If any, there shouldn't be. Peeling it back now, and it will leave the 710 Performance logo in the high temp tape. Damn, look at that. Let's get a closer view. Looks nice.
It does.
Now let's put another one on. And now the peel. Bam! The hardest part.
It's fucking done.
No, the hardest part is taking them off. Yeah, that takes the longest time.
So we have an extra good ground on this before we tape the back of it. We're just going to go ahead and tape this little ground electric fence wire right in here so it's grounding. And then we'll put the tape around it. And then we'll have something better to clamp on that's going to ground it. That way we don't mess up the edges.
So this is what we were talking about by adding that piece of wire. That's how we're gonna do all of our valve covers probably for a decent ground piece.
Yeah.
You trying to classify it?
Dude, that silver looks sick.
So this is the purple that you saw us put on it. Everybody knows this purple. Ain't nothing special. Looks nice for how it is.
We hope you all enjoyed that video. If you did, smash up the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you've watched this far and you still have not subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button down below. And we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.